Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. 22nd March 2025 UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Saturday. 21st March 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 38, number 41 and number 45. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number, first number 6, number 19, number 28, number 36, number 44, booster number 11. UK 49's tea time prediction number, first number 4, number 18, number 27, number 34, number 43, booster number 22. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.